In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from all emails in Gmail if your inbox feels crowded with newsletters, deals, and updates you never read. This quick, repeatable process will help you clear the noise so the messages you care about stand out. Start by opening Gmail, either in your web browser or the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to clean up. If you use the default tabs, you'll likely find most marketing messages in the Promotions tab. That's a great place to begin, but you can work from your main inbox as well. Next, open a promotional email you no longer want to receive. These are typically newsletters, sale alerts, or automated updates from brands and websites. If you're having trouble spotting them, look for messages with bright banners, discount codes, or the word unsubscribe in the footer. Those are telltale signs you're looking at a mailing list message. Now, click unsubscribe. In Gmail on desktop, you'll often see an unsubscribe link right next to the sender's address at the top of the email. Sometimes Gmail shows a small link or banner near the subject line that says unsubscribe. If you don't see it there, scroll to the very bottom of the email body. Most legitimate senders include an unsubscribe or manage preferences link in the footer. Either location works. The goal is to trigger the sender's built-in opt-out. After you click unsubscribe, confirm it. Gmail may show a small pop-up asking you to confirm that you want to stop receiving messages from this sender. Choose the option to unsubscribe. In other cases, you might be taken to the sender's website to confirm or choose unsubscribe from all. Follow the on-screen prompt until you see a confirmation message. Keep in mind that it can take a few days for the change to fully take effect, and you might still receive messages already queued for delivery. Finally, repeat this process for other senders. Think of it like a quick routine. Open a promotional email, click unsubscribe at the top or bottom, confirm, and then move on to the next one. Doing this in short bursts, just a few minutes at a time, adds up fast and steadily reduces the flow of unwanted mail. That's it. By opening Gmail, selecting a promotional message, hitting unsubscribe, confirming, and repeating for other senders, you'll reclaim your inbox with a clean, consistent process. Stick with it, and you'll notice fewer distractions and a lot more clarity in what remains.